Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is 19th of December. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, and also make your comments a lot to watch out for it. So when you take a look at it, let's start with the weekly time frame on this GBP USD. Now take a look at this movement. I want you guys to understand something. You see that when you take a look at this GBP USD, right? You see that this movement there is a ranging market move, right? This movement started around 2016. We saw that this movement actually dropped, came to this same level. The one of the reasons why I've highlighted this level down, then price went up, it take out this highs, which is our resistance if you want, right? Then price again dropped, it came to hit our resistance support level, right? And guess what? Then price came to our resistance level. Then again, a movement was made that came to our support level. Now, if you take a look at this movement, price actually broke below our support level. Now, you all know when you're trading, when you're ranging, when there's a ranging market move, you all know that once price is hitting our resistance level and it is hitting our support level or it is hitting our resistance level, then price eventually breaks out of our resistance level, right? If price breaks out of your resistance level, then you should watch out for one thing, a pullback that would be made to come to test that resistance level that price broke out from. Then before we can continue the bullish move on the GBP USD, right, or on that trade, if price eventually breaks out of the resistance level, price must definitely give us a pullback to test that resistance level, right? And before we continue that bullish move, or price will continue to drop for that, right? But when you take a look at this movement on this GBP USD, you see that price actually broke out of our support level. Take a look at it. Price broke out of the support level. Of course, we all expect a pullback to be made. This is the pullback that has been made. And guess what? That movement actually broke above our support level. Now, price is now trying to trade within the support level, right? Price is now that's broken above it. Then guess what? After price breaks out of it, right? Assuming price breaks hits this level below it and it started dropping, then we will be expecting a further bearish move. But instead, price broke out of it, right? Broke into it, right? And now we expect a pullback to be made. After the pullback, what do we expect? A continuous bullish move on this GBP USD. So this is one of the reasons why GBP USD we will continue our bullish move. Secondly, we all can see what our DXY or USD index is saying, right? We can see that our DXY or our USD index is actually dropping. As long as our DXY or USD index is dropping, then any place we will be trading to DXY or USD will definitely give us a bullish move. So continue to expect a bullish move on GBP USD. Now take a look at this weekly time frame. You see that this is an impulse move, right? And here is a correction. Then here comes a new highs that broke this previous highs. And here comes a correction on GBP USD, right? Then again, a new highs needs to be made. This is the new highs we've gotten. And here comes a correction. After this correction, what do we expect next? Of course, we expect a bullish move. So this is another reason why GBP USD will be going bullish. Now, the third reason or another reason is that we can see this our moving average, which is our 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once this price is trading or it is below our moving average, then we ought to sell. We have to look for a position, or we have to look for how to sell, right? But once it is trading above our moving average, then we have to go long. We have to look for a way to actually go long. So we clearly can see that this price is still trading above our moving average. As long as it is still above our moving average, then clearly this is still a bullish move. Now, for the next day, we would want to now go to the daily time frame, right? Before you actually place your trade, one question you want to ask yourself is that what is the trend for that movement that I want to trade? So we clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows. So you will take a look at this as an highs. Then here comes a pullback, right? You can take a look at this again, new highs that broke this previous highs. And here comes a pullback on this GBP USD. Here comes a new highs that broke this previous highs, and this is a pullback, right? New highs have been made here. We saw that price has actually come here, right? price broke, watch out for this level because this level would be useful. And if you notice that this ice actually broke this previous ice, still an indication that we are on an uptrend move. And here comes a correction. Now take a look at this again. New ice have been made here. You see it that this new ice have been made. Guess what we got in? A correction, right? And now a new ice have been made again. You can see that this new ice actually broke this previous ice. Of course, after the new ice, what do we expect? A correction needs to be made. So price has come to this correction. After this correction has been made, what do we expect? We expect a further bullish move. So guys, this week we will be getting a bullish move on GBPUSD that it will actually take out this ice. So a new ice needs to be made. So if you are to go long, especially if you want to go for this week and to currently take out this ice, you should be able to grab close to 2 or 300 pips for this week, right? If you have to go ice, to take out this ice, previous ice, you should be grabbing about 300 pips. But we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 19. So as long as this price has given us a pullback, we are now expecting a bullish move. So that bullish move is what we will be getting the next day. So we should see our price open and close bullish. Let's see if this price will come to take out a level of 1.22362. I'm watching out for that level. So if markets can open and it give us a bullish move, at least we should be able to grab, 80 to 100 pips for the next day. So let's try and grab 80 to 100 pips in a day for the next day on GBP USD. So GBP USD, how you want to see it is that this is clearly a bullish move, right? So we all know that we saw that this price has rejected here. We saw that price have lost rejected here. Like I told you guys to watch out for it. We saw price get to this level, it gave us a pullback. Notice that price has reacted to this level. Then once price broke above it, then it gave us a pullback. Notice that price also reacted to this level, right? That is true. And we see price has now come to this level. Definitely we should be expecting a reaction at this level. So another reason why we would be expecting or we will be getting a bullish move for the next day on GBP USD. So before we actually go ahead to enter this trade or place this trade, let's see what this 4-hour time frame is saying. So this is a 4-hour time frame, right? Let me try and take out this level so it will be more easier for us to understand. So let me take out this level that I have highlighted. So now let's zoom in properly. So if you take a look at this 4-hour time frame, right? There's one movement you are seeing on the 4-hour time frame, ranging markets move. So you will see markets came to this resistance on the 4-hour time frame, and then price dropped to this support level, right? Then again, price came to this resistance level, and guess what we've gotten again? A support level. Price has dropped to this support level. Now that this price has dropped to support level, what do you expect? Of course, we should be expecting a further bullish move that will come to take our resistance level. So another reason why we would be expecting a bullish move for the next day on GBP USD. As you can see, price is now at our support level. So we should now be expecting a bullish move to our resistance level. So how you want to trade it, it is up to you. Or when you want to place this trade is up to you. One thing for sure is that the next day on this GBP USD, we would surely open and close bullish. Though on this 4-hour time frame, price is still trading below this moving average. So have it in mind. So maybe you can probably be patient enough for this price to break above this moving average. Then you can go ahead to take your buy position. It is up to you if you want to do it that way. And if you want to go ahead to take your trade once the market opens and grab to take out this ice for the next day, it is still legitimate, right? It is still okay. Then it is still a good bet to go. Once we know for sure is that on the 19th, which is the next day, GBP USD should actually give us a bullish move. So just watch out for a bullish move for GBP USD.